boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have IANN DIOR here. I'm a big fan of him. This song is called Regrets, so it's about 4 chords like it usually is with his songs, 3 or 4, and this one is very easy as well. We have the capo set here on the 2nd fret, and let's start with the chords. The first one is F, so you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is A minor, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the 4th and final C, so 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And you will play these chords in this order through the entire song. And the only thing now we need to know is a strumming pattern. And for this one, you need to think as pair of chords. So that means the strumming pattern will be through 2 chords, you can say. So that is the F to G. It's kind of 1 strumming pattern, and the A minor to G is 1. So let's look at the strumming with F to G. So the first part there, the F, it will sound like this. Okay, so that is down, down, up, clap, down, up. Again, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And then you shift to G, and you play down, up, clap, up, down, up. So again, down, up, clap, up, down. Alright, so that is the full strumming. So if we connect this and play it a little bit slower, it will sound like this. And then you play the same for A minor to C. And it goes like this, round and round. So a couple rounds of this slow will sound like this. And with some standard tempo, I believe something like this. So yeah, that covers IANN DIOR's Regrets. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. And yeah, thumb up if you like this. See you soon, and don't forget to play tuned.